Warm welcome everybody, welcome to my channel Coaching. Today I would like to show you that how you can debug a Node.js application remotely, which is dockerized and running on a Kubernetes cluster inside a live pod. I will show you that how you can enable the remote debugger of your application and how you can expose the port of it. I will show you the Kubernetes manifest deployment file, and also I would like to show you that how you can attach to the live process with your local debugger inside Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's get started. Just FYI, this is a live example, so I blurred out some sensitive information on this video. Okay, where to start? Our debugger will run on the 9229 port. Here is my Node.js application. Here you can see that our server is served from the server/bootstrap.js file. This is the entry point of the application, and here you can see this file. Basically there are multiple ways that how you can enable the debugger. One is the inspect switch on the node command, and if you enable the debugger, it will run on the 9229 port by default. To enable the debugger, you can create a custom command and use the inspect switch inside of it, but we will use another solution today. To be able to expose the debugger, please put this port inside your Kubernetes manifest file. Here you can see Argo CD. I will redeploy the front end. The debugger is not enabled yet. Okay, the front end is starting. Here we can check the logs, and okay, the application started. Now I will enable the debugger. I'm listing the pods. I'm going inside the right pod, so inside the front end, and here inside the pod, here you can see with pwd that where is the root. We are under user/app, and if we write this ps-aux grep command, and I'm writing here the node server/bootstrap.js, we can list the running processes. The first one with 25 port is which we need. And starting from Node 6.3, Node has a built-in debugger that can be triggered even in a production app by doing kill-usr1 and node PID. The process will spit out something like this: debugger listening. And now go back to VsCode and please create a new configuration under the run configurations. The type is attached to node process, attached to a process, basically with Node.js, and here you can see my run configurations. The first one is for the remote debugging, the second one is for local debugging, but now the main is the first one, so you can give it to a name. The port is 9229, the request is attached. You can have these skip files to skip node internals, for example. Okay, the type is root, the local root is the workspace directory, and the remote folder is this /usr/app. You can find this folder with the pwv command, you know. Okay, please exit from the pod, and now we will use the port forward command to be able to forward the remote port to the local port, and here you can see my command. We will be able to use the localhost 9229 for debugging purposes. Place a breakpoint here and launch the correct run configuration. After that, our debug session is starting. Now I'm going to use the relevant part of the application. I'm refreshing it inside the browser, and you can see here that my breakpoint was hit. You can use the debug tools as usual, and you can check your variables. In the debug console, you can see the logs of your application, and everything is working as expected. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will find many interesting tutorials in various topics on this channel in the future as well, so stay tuned. If you like this, please also press the like button. You can help me a lot with it. And thank you very much again. Have a nice day. Bye.